Hello student, I am your geography teacher Vivek from California Public School. Student, today we revise your chapter 4th, structure of the earth. Okay, in this chapter the main topic, the three layer of earth. First is crust, second one mantle, or third one core. Core we already discussed in the last video, or today we revise here mantle and crust. Okay, so this is your earth, and inside the earth it divided into three part: crust, mantle and core. We already discussed in the last video core. Core divided into two part: inner core, outer core. Okay, inner core, it is a solid form due to the great pressure, and outer core is a liquid form due to the high temperature. Okay, and the center part of the earth near about 6371 kilometer, but you can also write down approximately 6400 kilometer. Yeah, you can write down 7000 kilometer approximately. Okay, because this is based on observation. Okay, so we already discussed in the last time your rock density increase when we move towards the center part of the earth. Okay, so we discuss here middle layer, that is a mantle. So mantle is a very thick layer and extend up to an average depth of about 2900 किलोमीटर. मीन्स आपकी जो मेंटल लेयर है क्रस्ट के डाउन साइड से लेकर अप टू कोर तक, इसकी जो डेप्थ है वो नियर अबाउट 2900 किलोमीटर है. ओके, सो it lie between the crust and the core of the earth. The mantle is the middle layer, it lie between the crust and core. Okay, the mantle is made up of dense and heavy material such as iron and magnesium. इसकी जो मैक्सिमम फॉर्मेशन हुई है मेटल की, वो टू टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल्स है. बेसिकली सो मैनी मिनरल्स आर देयर, बट टू जो मैक्सिमम टाइप ऑफ मिनरल्स है वो है आपके आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम. एंड कोर वी ऑल डिस्कस दैट टाइम इन द लास्ट वीडियो, it made of nickel and ferrous. Ferrous means iron, that's why called Nife. Ni means nickel, Fe means ferrous means iron. Okay, so that's why called core is also known as Nife. Okay, so mantle it made of dense and heavy material such as iron and magnesium. Okay, and the average density of material in the mantle varies between the 3.5 gram per cubic centimeter to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Means we already discussed that time last video. Core, the density of rock is highest in the center part of the earth. In the inner core, density is about 13 gram per cubic centimeter, and outer core is about 11 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, and in the mantle, density of rock is about 3.5 gram per to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. That means कि when we move towards the center, आपकी density क्या हो रही है, increase हो रही है. In the topmost part about 2.5 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. In the crust, in mantle 3.5 gram to 5.5, and when we move towards side density 11, and here reach up to the 13 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so after that asthenosphere. So what is the asthenosphere? The top layer of the upper mantle 100 to 200 kilometer below the surface is called asthenosphere. This is the surface, top of the crust. In the mantle तो नहीं about 100 किलोमीटर, टॉप से 100 से आगे 100 to 200 किलोमीटर के बीच का जो एरिया इज कॉल्ड एस्थेनोस्फीयर. ओके, the top layer of the upper mantle 100 to 200 kilometer below surface is called asthenosphere. Scientific study suggests that this layer has physical properties that are different from the rest of the upper mantle. मीन्स इसकी जो एस्थेनोस्फीयर की जो प्रॉपर्टी है या आपकी जो मेंटल की जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो क्रस्ट से थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. बिकॉज इन द क्रस्ट पार्ट में सॉलिड रॉक इज देयर, और व्हेन वी टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर पार्ट योर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, और ड्यू टू दैट आपकी रॉक्स की जो डेंसिटी है वो भी इंक्रीज हो रही है, एंड रॉक भी आपकी मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है व्हेन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ. due to the high temperature. Okay, so the rocks in this upper portion of the mantle are more rigid and brittle because of cooler temperature and lower pressure. कि मीन्स जो अपर पार्ट है आपका वो थोड़ा सा रिगिड में सॉलिड है बिकॉज यहाँ टेम्परेचर अभी तक कम है, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो रहा है मूव टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर, तो अपर जो पार्ट है क्रस्ट एंड द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द मेंटल ये सॉलिड फॉर्म में है बिकॉज ड्यू टू द लो टेम्परेचर, ओके, और लेस प्रेशर की वजह से. Okay, so rigid means inflexible, we can say solid, or brittle means having little elastic, little bit elastic form है due to the little bit temperature increase होगा then move towards the center, तो due to that यहाँ जो rocks हैं वो little bit elastic form में है. Okay, not fully melt or not fully solid. Okay, so this is your topic mantle, so means इसकी depth near about 2900 kilometer and lie between the crust or core, and after that is made of iron and magnesium, and density here 3.5 gram per cubic centimeter to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter, and topmost part 100 to 100 kilometers is called asthenosphere. Okay, and here the upper portion of the mantle are more rigid and brittle because of cooler temperature and lower pressure. Okay, so we discuss here first layer of earth surface, that is the crust. Okay, the crust is the outermost solid layer of earth. It is also called lithosphere or rocky crust. It is the uppermost layer, it is a solid part of earth surface. Okay, it's called crust, is also known as lithosphere, means hard rocky portion. So the crust is a relatively thin layer with an average thickness of about 60 किलोमीटर. इसकी thickness भी आपको different books में different मिलेगी because it's based on observation. Okay, so approximately near about 60 kilometer, and the crust comprises in two part, divided into two part, because in the upper surface solid part भी है and water bodies भी है. Okay, तो solid part को हमने नाम दिया है continental crust, और ocean वाले part को, water body की part को हमने नाम दिया है oceanic crust. Okay, in upper earth surface water body is there और solid part of the earth surface is there. Okay, तो solid part को नाम दिया है उन्होंने continental crust और water body वाले part को नाम दिया है oceanic crust. So we discuss करिए both here continental और oceanic crust. Okay, so now we revise here what is the difference continental and oceanic crust. Okay, this is continental solid part of the earth and oceanic part जहाँ water body से cover है. Okay, so continental crust it's, if we बात करें डेप्थ की तो about 20 to 70 किलोमीटर, और ओशियनिक क्रस्ट में नीचे जो वाटर के नीचे जो पार्ट है सॉलिड पार्ट वो अबाउट 5 to 10 किलोमीटर. ओके, और इट इज मेड ऑफ लाइटर ग्रेनाइट. आपका जो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट है मेड ऑफ लाइटर ग्रेनाइट, एंड ओशियनिक क्रस्ट मेड ऑफ बसाल्ट, एंड डेंसिटी इज अबाउट 2.7 ग्राम पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, and the density of oceanic crust is about 3 gram per cubic centimeter. This is the difference between the continental or oceanic crust. First is depth of continental crust is about 20 to 70 kilometer, oceanic crust depth 5 to 10 kilometer, and it made of lighter granite, and oceanic crust made of basalt, and density of continental crust is about 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter, and density of oceanic crust near about 3 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so now the main element of crust are silicon, aluminium और magnesium. जो हमारा अर्थ crust है it made of silicon, aluminium and magnesium. This point is very very important for you because in the core it made of nickel and iron, and mantle made of iron and magnesium, and crust is made of silicon, aluminium and magnesium. Okay, so on the basis of its composition, on the basis of formation, the crust is generally divided into two parts, sial and sima. Okay, so this is the earth surface. तो earth surface को two part में divide किया crust को, upper part और lower part. Okay, upper part is made of sial and downward part of crust is made of sima. Okay, so sial क्या है और sima क्या है we discuss here. The upper continental layer is lighter and consists of silicon and aluminium. It means upper part of the crust is made of silicon and aluminium. Si means silicon plus Al means aluminium. Combined we call Sial. Okay, and here average density about 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, and Sima, the lower layer of the crust is dense and consists of silicon, Si silicon, mm is magnesium. Okay, this we call Sima. Clear? Or density of Sima near about 3 to 3.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Clear? This is Sial and Sima. Okay, Sial means upper part of continental crust and made of silicon or aluminum. Thus we call Sial and density 2.5 gram per cubic centimeter. And Sima is the lower layer of the earth crust and it is dense and consists of silicon and magnesium. Thus we call Sima and density of this layer 3 to 3.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so lithosphere is divided into 15 major tectonic plate. टेक्टोनिक प्लेट मीन्स ह्यूज लैंड स्लैब को टेक्टोनिक का नाम दिया है, प्लेट का नाम दिया है. ओके, तो पूरे वर्ल्ड को हियर डिवाइड टू 15. द नदर्न अमेरिकन, कैरिबियन, साउथ अमेरिकन, स्कॉटिया, अंटार्कटिका, यूरेशियन, अरेबियन, अफ्रीकन, इंडियन, फिलीपींस, ऑस्ट्रेलियन, पैसिफिक, जुआन, दी, फ्यूका, कोकोज and Najaka. These are the 15 major tectonic plates. Okay, so the most well-known feature associated with Earth lithosphere is tectonic activity. क्योंकि हमारे अर्थ सरफेस में जो चेंजेस आ रही हैं ड्यू टू टेक्टोनिक मूवमेंट की वजह से आ रही है. टेक्टोनिक मूवमेंट मीन्स यू नो टो कि अपर पार्ट हमारा सॉलिड है और डाउन पार्ट इन द मेल्ट पोजीशन ड्यू टू द हाई टेम्परेचर. तो ड्यू टू दैट आपका जो सॉलिड पार्ट है वो फ्लोटिंग कर रहा है और ड्यू टू दैट हमारे अर्थ सरफेस में चेंजेस आ रही है. ओके, और दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट रिलेटेड टू दिस वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू.